prepare for launch. Meet Space Pirate Captain Lars of the Stars. After Steven healed him, he got himself a newfound confidence. Plus, as they managed to escape homeworld, they managed to snag a ship and find their way back home. And they've made a lot of amazing adventures along the way. They had a huge quest to save all gem life from the evil White Diamond. Those were the good days. It's kind of amazing how I got to see him in action. Steven has been through a lot with Lars. Much like with Lion, he can teleport right through him using his hair. This guy's become a hero over the years. Well, after it, he did a huge part in freeing his homeworld gems and arriving back home. And they can share whatever they've done to other planets, which is kind of one of the best things that has ever been done. There we are. I hope we'll get to see him again. I bet he will. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we are. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw the mighty hero, Lars of the Stars. International space pirate and hero of the universe.